travel beyond the stars and unlock the mysteries of the universe.
What if I told you that feeling barely scratches the surface of our true place in the cosmos? For millennia, humanity has charted the stars, believing our world was the center of everything. The luminous band we called the Milky Way was seen as a river of light, a divine pathway. Ancient Greeks saw it as milk spilled from the breast of a goddess, the Egyptians, a celestial Nile. These weren't just stories, they were attempts to comprehend the incomprehensible, to map our cosmic home. By the 18th century, astronomers like William Herschel began to systematically count stars, creating the first real map of our galaxy. It wasn't until Edwin Hubble in the 1920s that we confirmed other galaxies existed beyond our own, shattering our perception of scale forever. The Milky Way we know today is a barred spiral galaxy, a sprawling metropolis of over 200 billion stars. To put that into perspective, if you could travel at the speed of light, it would take you 100,000 years to go from one end to the other. The Voyager 1 spacecraft, humanity's farthest object, has been traveling for over 4 decades and has barely left our solar system's immediate neighborhood. At its current speed, it would take over 70,000 years just to travel one single light. But this is where the conventional story ends and a deeper mystery begins. Think of the concept of the Akashic Records, a supposed compendium of all universal events, thoughts, and emotions embedded in the fabric of existence. In this view, the galaxy isn't just a physical record of star formation and death, but a living library of all experiences within it. But what about metaphysically? Some mystical schools of thought propose that this central point is not just a gravitational anchor. Is it a cosmic data processor or a portal to other dimensions of reality? These ideas challenge the purely materialistic view of the cosmos. Mysticism offers a different lens, suggesting that the physical form of the galaxy is a manifestation of a deeper, non-physical blueprint. The spiral arms, swirling with new stars, could be seen as currents of creative energy. And undetected, could be the very substrate of consciousness itself, the hidden scaffolding upon which reality is built. The great attractor, a gravitational anomaly that our Milky Way and countless other galaxies are being pulled towards, remains a profound mystery. Is it merely a massive concentration of matter, or is it something more? A focal point for a supercluster of galaxies, not just in space, but perhaps in purpose. And old, teeming with potentially habitable planets. Where is everybody? Perhaps we are looking for the wrong thing. Perhaps the silence of the cosmos isn't emptiness, but a sign of a universe far more integrated and subtle than our current senses can perceive. The scale of the Milky Way isn't just a measure of distance, it's a measure of potential. We stand on a tiny planet, looking out at a city of stars, and we have a choice. Or we can see it as a grand, interconnected whole, a living system of which we are a vital, conscious part. The true scale of the Milky Way may not be found in light years, but in the depth of the questions it forces us to ask about ourselves and our place in it all. The mystery is the point. The journey is the destination. What do you think? Is the universe a purely physical phenomenon? Or is there a layer of consciousness, a mystical dimension that science has yet to touch? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your perspective on this cosmic mystery. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the scale and soul of our galaxy. If this exploration sparked your curiosity, please give this video a like, share it with someone who loves to ponder the big questions, and subscribe for more deep dives into the cosmos. Stay curious.